Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to change the mop wash frequency on ROBOROCK Saros Z70. To do it, you can click on the settings in the top right corner, then go to dock settings. Then you can change the mop wash frequency, which means that, well, robot returns to the station automatically to wash the mop after a certain time elapses, in order to ensure that the mop is always clean and that it cleans your floor instead of leaving stains on it. And for that, you can either set it to by room, which means that it will automatically just return after finishing each room, or by time, and then you can set the amount of time that has to elapse before it goes to the station to wash. Then you can also change the washing mode to use the water, to change the water volume and the temperature of the water for mop washing. And you can also select cleaning solution filling, which applies both to mopping the floors and to washing the mop. And it's just the amount of cleaning solution that will be used for it. By the way, there's a video on our channel on how to fill in the cleaning solution tank in the station. Well, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.